Mr. Brown drives 6 1/5 miles from his home to work. By 8:30 a.m., he has driven 1/3 of his distance. How far in miles has Mr. Brown driven by 8:30 a.m.? So don't let the times here throw you off. That means absolutely nothing. He drives 6 1/5 miles and he drove 1/3 of that. So we need to do 1/3 times 6 1/5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this guy into an improper fraction. This is how I do it. Multiply the whole number to the denominator. So 6 times 5 is 30. And then add that 1 to make it 31 over 5. And we're going to multiply 1/3 to that. Now, when multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator. So 1 times 31 is 31. And 3 times 5 is 15. Now, this is an improper fraction, and they want those as mixed numbers. So we're going to do some long division over here. We're going to see how many times 15 goes into 31. So I know 15 goes into 30 twice, so we'll do 2 here. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtract, and you do get a remainder of 1. So my remainder of 1. So how do I write that as a mixed number? Well, the 2 that we got is going to be your whole number. The remainder is going to be the numerator, and the original denominator of 15 is going to stay as 15. So we end up as 2 1/15 miles. That's how far he's driven. So our answer is A.